Hello everybody, Matchbox Skybuster. The price I paid for at Toys R Us, 20 ringgit, which is €4 or 6.5 Australian dollars, or 6 Singapore dollars. Should I remove the price? No, I'll leave it there. American Airlines, designed for a lifetime. So it's going to outlast the real aircraft. Airbus A320neo. Okay, this is the old packaging of the Skybuster Airbus A320neo, and you get a piece of scenery to fly over. In the new packaging, you don't get anything at all, but we don't need this scenery, do we? Now I'm wondering whether I want to remove it from the packaging. I think I'll leave it in the blister. Now if I do remove it, I have to paint the engine. You see this black thing inside the engine? There is none, it's all white. So yeah, I'll leave it in the blister. It could be a souvenir from American Airlines. It's very nice. The only thing not nice are the wheels. Okay, you see clearly from here, the ugly wheels, which I said in my video when I review this Airbus, I may cut it off. But that's a project for another day. It is really ugly, isn't it? But it's nice to see that they make airlines again. There's this. There's the Boeing 747, but in a fantasy livery, which is why I didn't buy it. Hopefully they make a proper airline like this, then collectors will buy. So thank you for watching this Airbus A320neo, new engine option, NEO. Don't forget to like and subscribe. There is no scale on this thing, it's a toy. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.